Ever dreamed of living where the sun always shines, the beaches are endless, and life is just vibrant? Imagine making the move to Florida, a place where relaxation is just part of everyday life. But before you pack your bags, let's dive into the must-knows of buying a home here, especially if you're coming from out of state. We'll highlight the must-dos, the must-avoids, and why having a Florida Reach Estate Team real estate expert in your corner is a game changer. Kick things off with research and planning. Florida's got it all, from exciting city life to the serene coastal beaches to welcoming suburbs. Finding your fit is key. Next, financing. Get that mortgage pre-approval sorted. It clarifies your budget and strengthens your position when you find your dream home. Then meet your ally, a Florida Reach Estate Team real estate agent. With their local know-how, they're your guide to finding the right home. On to home searching. Dive into listings and virtual tours to shortlist your favorites. Property visits and selection come next. Experience homes up close, virtually or in person, to feel their true vibe. Making an offer. With your agent's advice, present a strong offer based on solid market analysis. Never skip the inspection and appraisal. Uncover potential issues and ensure the home's value matches its price. Closing time. Finalize your financing, sign the paperwork, and congratulations, you've got a Florida home. But beware of shortcuts. They can lead to overpaying, legal issues, unexpected repairs, or scams. The value of a Reach Estate Team real estate agent can't be overstated. Their expertise, negotiation skills, and legal guidance are indispensable. Reach Estate Team, brokered by eXp Realty, LLC, specializing in first-time homebuyers, veterans, and individuals undergoing home transitions. If you're ready to embark on your real estate journey, take the first step by filling out a Contact Me form on the Reach Estate Team website, or just call or text 561-602-2323. Embrace Florida with confidence. Your journey starts now.